Dear friends, good morning. Once again, Amit Saxena from Alliance Learning Academy, and I welcome to you all offline and online students. It is not good to say students, my friends, because most of you are the experienced engineers, now 2 to 3 plus or 5 years experience, and some professors also from the different engineering colleges and the industry technical people. Many of you told me you want to learn the calibration, how these instruments can be calibrated. So I will take example of two instruments. One is the pH analyzer and second is the your DO analyzer. Here I have one multi-parameter analyzer with me. It may be a single. You have only this. You want only pH. This is a small pH 96 by 96 module. And it can give 420 or Modbus, whatever is your requirement, or it is a single standalone DO, or it can be multi-parameter analyzer. These can be used as a standalone and with the multi-channel analyzers configuration. So first I will tell you about the pH. pH already I took discussions how it works, what is the principle, what is the Nernst equation, what is the millivolt, what is the 714 millivolts, when it is 7, what is millivolt should come, when it is 0, what comes, when 14, what comes, how it works, what is advantages, disadvantages, maintenance aspects, what to do, what you don't do. This you can see already here in the classroom in my lab, and most of you also went to the different sites, and there you also seen the actual. Here on your demand, again I am making this online offline class for the calibration of pH and DO analyzer. For that, what we do, we must have prior to this calibration this kind of standard solutions. These are the standard solutions. Right now I have a solution of 4 pH and 9.2 pH. So we will do 2-point calibration. We can do 1 point also, but in a pH analyzer we have to do 2 point because the Nernst equation we see this is the linear graph, and if you want to do proper calibration we have a 2 point to get the linear y is equal to mx plus c, which we already discussed. So what we will do, we will have this pH sensor. So what right now what reading it is coming? It is coming 9.11. So what we will do it, we have it, this is the drinking water. It is not drinking, it is a cleaning water. It is not for drinking. I will put it here first. I will put small, we will do like this. I will leave it here for some time. Now you see the reading is 8.19. Okay, it will go whatever actual reading is coming for this non-drinking water. We say the vaparne wala pani. Okay, for cleaning purpose and all. So it is showing the 8.0 pH. Now we need to calibrate it. So what we have to do? First we will dip it in a 4 pH standard solution. Then we will dip it 9.2 and we do the 2-point calibration. And then we put again in this beaker. We will see whatever the actual pH value in this. So for that, any of the instrument, any of the electronics, we have to do the same kind of procedure. First we have to reach to the calibration menu. For this particular things, for what to do, we will put user, it's very user friendly. We will put the password, then we put OK, login. Now we will go to the calibration mode. In this calibration, what we have to do? We have to do pH calibration. We put here. Now you see beauty of this particular instrument. Here is very user friendly. He is saying what is the 4 pH, what is the 7, what is the 9.2. Otherwise, in a high class, no, not high class, in a different manufacturer, what they are saying, they are telling you put 4 pH, 9.2 pH, 7 pH, you put. But here it is telling you what you have to do. So very simple, is a 4 pH buffer. So I have a 4 pH buffer here. In this beaker, this is a 4 pH standard solution. What I am going to do, I will put my sensor. Actually, whenever you take it, you have to wash it with the DM water or distilled water, and by the some cloth or something, you have to clean it and put. Today I don't have, so I am doing like this, but it's not a standard practice. You need to follow a standard practice when you are working in the industry. Now I'm putting it here, dip it to the tip, no need to fill full, but the tip should be dipped. Now it is like this. And these analyzers, you need some patience. And the good thing is, particular this online monitoring multiple analyzers, response time is too good. But all instruments not having good response time. This is a part of a specification. So now I have already put it. Now we will see what is reading is coming in the main display. Right now it is showing 3.97. You know, earlier it was 8. Okay. Then I put it a standard solution of 4 pH. Actual reading is coming 3.96 pH. Temperature is showing 27.30. It is coming from its sensor directly. Okay. Now again I am going to the calibration mode. I have to go again from the user. Yeah. Okay. Fine. Now we have to put 4 pH. The low point we have to push it. I touch it and we wait. Tick. Tick means it is programmed now. Means 4 pH is programmed in this analyzer or transmitter. Now you see what is showing now. Reading. Now you see exact 4.00. Okay. Now it's a 1 point came. Now for the second point we have to put in a different 9.2 pH. So again user calibration, and I have to take it out. I have to clean with the DM water and then wipe it out, and again we have to put the standard practice. So now it's a normal water taken out. Just take out the water. Actually you have to clean it, okay? But no problem. It's also work. It's a very good response analyzer. Now I'm putting it to 9.2 pH. Again, what I have to do? We have not to put something A, B, C, D, go there, go there. This is a kind of very skilled analyzer which is meant for a skilled manpower. This is not. Now what we have to do? We can see the reading. It's an actual reading. It's a 9.13. Okay. Now we have to do what? We have to calibrate for that. So user calibration and high point. I am putting that. Unless tick come, we have to wait. Now it is done. Now we will go back to the home and we'll see what is the reading. So reading is 9.16. Now 2-point calibration of pH meter we have seen. It's very easy if you know. If you don't know, it is very difficult for us. Okay. So we have seen this, and second we will see the calibration of DO analyzer. So we have seen this pH. I hope you all understand how to do calibration of pH analyzer. I am not telling you any specific brand or the company's analyzer. I am telling you the technical things. You can handle any. But if something is good, some products are good, I am also telling you where I am working on those analyzers. I found this analyzer is very user friendly for the industries where you don't have a very skilled manpower. Thank you very much for listening, and you all also understood that, and now after this you all do the hands-on one by one, unless until you understand these are things properly, and you should have confidence also. You can do alone at your plant, or you can teach your students, and you can do other works. Thank you very much. I am Amit Saxena from Alliance Learning Academy, Pune. Thank you very much.